بالجمع الرياضي بالجمع الرياضي دمعت بالسرعة دمعت الابداع دمعت التفوق دمعت البطولات دمعت الكاس دمعت الذهب دمعت الانجاز دمعت التاريخ دمعت وليعة دبي وبالشقادمة بينما الوصول من العسرة.
In this short video, I'm going to be showing you how to create 3D text in Photoshop. First thing you want to do is look on your sidebar on the left and select the text tool. Type out what you want in your first text and then go back to the sidebar and create another text. You want this text to say the same thing as your first one. Next, go over to your color section here and make it just a little bit lighter than your previous text, or darker depending on what you want. The next step is to drag your new text over the original text. You can put it about as far away from it as you want, but the closer it is, the easier it's going to be. Your next step is going to be go back to the sidebar and find the lasso tool, which is the third one from the top, and then scroll down to the polygon lasso tool. Then you'll take your polygon lasso tool and go in the areas like this, where you can see that there's a gap between the bottom text and the top text layer, and you'll want to create a triangle between the two. Then you'll go over to your coloring tool, and at this point it'll probably ask you if you want to rasterize your text. Just go ahead and click OK, and you can go ahead and fill that gap in. If you're left with a little bit of space that's white, you can go ahead and click Undo Deselect, go over to your brush tool again, and click it a couple more times to fill in the rest of the area, and that should do the trick. I'm going to do the same thing with the rest of my letters, and I'm going to speed this part of the video up to save some time. Alright, and then once you're done, you should be left with something that looks similar to this. So if you want to take your text that you just created and put it onto another image, all you have to do is right click your background layer, click delete layer, and then go over to this rectangular selection tool up at the top. Select all your text, and then up in the edit tab up here, you can click the copy merge section, and then go on to your other image, click edit, and paste. And then your new text will be right on your new image, just like that. Thank you for watching my tutorial, and I hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.